why a pre-sale and settlement clean is more important than you think. Selling or handing over your home. Then there's one step that's often underestimated, but absolutely essential. A professional pre-sale and settlement clean. It might seem like just another task on the to-do list, but in reality, it's one of the most powerful ways to increase buyer confidence, boost your sale price, and hand over the home with pride. Let's explore why this type of clean matters so much, and what it actually means for you, your buyers, and your peace of mind. First, why pre-sale cleaning? Really matters. When your home hits the market, it's no longer just yours. It becomes a product. And like any product, presentation affects perception, and perception shapes price. A sparkling, clean home signals to buyers, this property is well maintained. There's nothing to worry about. This is worth the asking price. It builds trust instantly. And in a market where every other listing is competing for attention, that trust can be the thing that seals the deal. Now, why the settlement clean is just as crucial. So you've sold. Congratulations. But before you hand over the keys, there's one more promise to fulfill. Leaving the home in a condition you'd want to receive it in. This is where the settlement clean comes in. It's not just polite, it's expected. Buyers will inspect the property before finalising settlement. And if the home is dirty, dusty, or full of post-move mess, it could delay settlement. It could trigger complaints. In some cases, it could even cost you. A proper settlement clean avoids stress, protects your reputation, and ensures a smooth, happy handover. What's the difference between the two? A pre-sale clean focuses on presentation. It's about creating a space that photographs well, feels fresh, and appeals emotionally to buyers. A settlement clean, on the other hand, is all about readiness. It makes sure the home is hygienic, empty, and truly ready for someone else to move in. Both require attention to detail, just with slightly different goals. What gets cleaned and what gets missed without a plan? These cleans often include kitchens and bathrooms deep cleaned, cupboards and drawers wiped inside and out, skirting boards, door frames, and window tracks detailed. Walls spot cleaned and floors mopped or vacuumed, cobwebs, dust, and surface grime removed. Fridges, ovens, and even garages cleaned if needed. It's the level of detail that makes all the difference. Because whether it's for a buyer walking in for the first time, or for the final inspection before keys are handed over, every corner tells a story. The hidden value, peace of mind moving, is emotional. It's busy, and it's overwhelming. A professional pre-sale and settlement clean frees up your time, reduces stress, prevents last-minute dramas, protects your sale, leaves a positive impression, and most of all, it helps you move forward knowing you've done it right. Final thought. It's not just a clean, it's a clean break. Whether you're putting your home on the market or preparing to hand it over. A proper clean isn't just about appearance, it's about respect, reliability, and reputation. You want your buyers to feel confident. You want your agent to feel proud. And you want to walk away knowing you handed over your home the way you'd hoped to receive it. So don't leave it to chance. Plan it, book it, and enjoy the cleanest goodbye and the strongest first impression.